I got some glass with. I'm so lucky I have so small head that I can buy glasses from the children. And it's dogs on them, and I love them so much. Oh.
White blizzard, snow blizzard, uniquely coated flakes of snow, lighting up the ground below. Sent from heaven down to earth to spread a little joy on the ground in the snow. Angel dogs waving their tails in the wind. In the cave, happy angel dogs with lots of candles. How they glow, how it's great. I hibernate, I'm warm and safe inside. The feelings get a little high. Sometimes I fly, sometimes I cry. It's so okay, I'm warm and dry. I don't need no bed to get by. I'm here to be free and fly wild like the child in me. I hug a bear, I don't drink no beer. I hug a bear and we share not a beer, but some honey. Oh, how I love her. When the snow is coming.